Alright, question 2. So this is a past year question. Flour at a mass rate of 0.06 kilogram per second and the velocity is 15 meter per second is poured vertically into a bowl. So assuming this is your bowl. Okay, so this is your bowl and there's a flour. Duh, begitu kan? Okay, so flour ni sedang jatuh pergi this bowl. Okay, so what is happening? It is poured vertically with a velocity of 15 meter per second. Okay, so now, since the flour is going down, our velocity will be equal to negative 15 meter per second. Okay, please remember we have a sign convention. So anything that is going up should be positive. Okay, and then this one will be negative. To the right is positive, to the left is negative. Okay, so that is our sign convention. Okay, so if the flour comes to a rest upon hitting the bowl here, so after that the flour sudah pun sampai at the bowl. So the flour is now final velocity there at rest, so equal to 0. Okay, so now the final velocity is equal to 0. We have to calculate the average force exerted by the flour on the bowl. Okay, so now the average force, remember we have a relationship of force with impulse, which is J divided by delta T. Okay, so now the flour at a mass rate is given, so that is m over mass over time lah, which is equal to 0.06 kilogram per second. Okay, so per second meaning dia punya mass is equal to 0.06 kilogram when t is equal to 1 seconds. Okay, so that is the relationship for this mass rate lah. Okay, so now we know that J is equal to M V minus U over 1 lah. Okay, sebab the mass yang kita akan guna sekarang ni is 0.06 kilogram. Okay, so bila time is equal to 1 saja, baru mass equal to 0.06. So T ni, delta T mesti equal to 1 lah. Okay. So this is delta T. So let's substitute M as 0.06 and V is 0 minus, this one is 0 minus negative 15. Remember why is it negative? Because this is going down. Okay, and then we have to divide this with 1. So you will get the force to be equal to 0.9 Newton. Okay, so this is the average force acting by the bowl on the floor. On the floor. Okay, so sekarang ni between the bowl and the flour. Sekarang ni soalan dia minta dia by the flour on the bowl. Kiranya by the flour on the bowl ni berapa banyak force. Sekarang ni yang kita kira ni untuk force by the bowl on the flour. So remember Newton's third law mentioned that they will have the same magnitude. Contohnya we have something like this. So if you are pushing something here, you will experience the same magnitude. So FA, FB, they should have the same magnitude but different direction. So this one is negative because it is going to the left. So what is happening here is also the same lah. So force by the flour, it is asking about by the flour on the bowl kan. By the flour to bowl is basically negative 0.9 Newton. Okay, kenapa negatif sekarang ni? Sebab negatif ni Dia negative sebab sekarang tu fla tu ke bawah, which is on the bowl. The one yang we've calculated here is we are considering it by looking at the bowl to the fla. So kiranya itu pointing up. This is pointing down. That's why it is negative. Okay, so that is the solution for question number 2.